toes 5. The Jackson 5, the toes 5, the... There's a joke there somewhere. I'm looking for it. Somewhere. Maybe I shouldn't look too hard for it. Maybe there is no joke there. Maybe the world would be a better place if I did not find a joke there. Okay, here we go. Now we got 5 toes instead of 3. Don't have to explain anything. Alright, so the sun is coming from that direction. The light is going to be Alright, I like it. So when I shade the toenails, I usually like to use the brush instead of the pen. So get that pointy, thick to thin going on there. Let's erase that part so it doesn't look like severed toe. Make all that black. There we go. And now we have, there you have your sandaled foot falling into the pit, falling into the cistern. Now we're going to do it again because there's 2 feet on Joseph.